So the Women's Football Showpiece event kicks off in Australia and New Zealand on Thursday. Of course, our main interest will be the fortunes of the Reggae Girlz and what we expect of them. Of course, the novelty of first-time qualification is over. We now must be thinking about advancing from our first round group. We can't just be satisfied to participate again. Half the squad have World Cup experience. We have some top quality players. Of course, it won't be easy. Jamaica, ranked 43rd in the world, will face European giants and world number 5 ranked France in their first game on Sunday. Our next game will be against the number 8 ranked Brazilian powerhouse. And of course, we close out our group against CONCACAF neighbors Panama. So the simple question is, how can Jamaica get more points than 2 of the 3 other teams in the group? That is the simple mathematics of the situation. At the end of the first round, if we get more points or need to and finish with a better goal difference than 2 of Panama, Brazil, and France, to the next round, the Reggae Girlz will advance. Brilliant, Maverick, brilliant.